Hello everyone. This is assignment number 9, Importance of Personal Appearance and Stating Tips of Grooming for Professionals. Guys, I want to indicate here that personal appearance is very important part of our professional career. Along with personal appearance, personality grooming it impact a positive sense in the mind of receiver. It appeals receiver. It attract the attention of receivers, and it is helpful to create a good attitude, good image in the mind of receiver. So let us discuss its important, how the personal appearance is important for personal for professional career along with grooming. Grooming it is a one quality which enhance our personality. So it is important to develop our personal appearance along with our personal grooming. Let us discuss the assignment. This is assignment number 9. Importance of personal appearance, stating tips of grooming for professionals. Practical significance. Personal appearance is undefinitely significant for an engineer for his or her professional growth. It creates positive impression and helps to gain respect at workplace. It provides a platform for an effective and smooth communication in the work as well as social setting. It shows one's image, attitude and personality as a whole. This learning experience has been designed to communicate effectively and skillfully at workplace. Guys, the writer says that our syllabus maker, a policy maker, indicate that personal appearance is very important for engineers. Why it is important? Because it creates good impression in the mind of receiver. It gives social respect at workplace. It provides the platform for effective and smooth communication as well as in social setting also. It creates image, attitude, personality as a whole. So it is very important. Let us discuss course outcomes. Apply knowledge of basic mathematics, science and basic engineering to solve the problem related to application of computer and communication services in storing, manipulating and transmitting data, often in the context of a business or other enterprises. Communication, communicate effectively in oral and written form. Lifelong learning, engage in independent and lifelong learning along with the technological changes in the IT and allied industry. Course outcomes, communicate effectively by using non-verbal methods of communication, give presentation by using audio video aids, and practical learning outcomes are identify the benefit of a well-groomed personal appearance, identify and practice good personal grooming and hygienic habits, practice good manners and etiquette. These are the practical learning outcomes. Okay, that is a identify the benefit of well groomed personal appearance, identify and practice good personal grooming and hygienic habits. Next, practical learning outcomes. Okay, practical skills, use computer test systems including learning language lab and software. Understand the importance of personal grooming and appearance for effective presentations. Relevant affective domains are follow safety precautions, demonstrate working as a leader, individual or team lead members, minimum theoretical background. It is essential to know the aspects of grooming and dressing for various formal situations with the effective use of body language. One should possess the knowledge of correct use of gestures, postures, facial expression, and eye contact. It is very important. Okay, we should understand the aspects of grooming and dressing pattern as per the situations, as well as one should know how to use our gestures, postures, and facial expression and eye contact. Experimental setups, language lab with relevant software and open learning sources. Okay, procedures. You know the procedures. It is a common one. Log to your account. Student console, yeah, assign folder, read, understand the instruction from practical manuals, assign documents, and discuss the understanding with your facilitators. Watch the video related to personal grooming and personal appearance. Refer online as well as print resources in context with grooming and personal appearance. Make a detailed note on the importance and tips of grooming and personal appearance. Submit the content to facilitator for review and finalize and submit the assignment. Precautions are: follow safety guidelines while using language laboratory, handle headphones carefully, do not insert pen drive, memory card in the laboratory computers. Okay, let us discuss importance of personal appearance. Personal appearance is extremely important of any profession. It indicates the professional background, attitude, financial status, and personality traits of person before he start the conversation. It is said that first impression is the last impression is absolutely true when it comes to the professional world, because audience start building the image of speaker in their mind of his appearance. You need to understand the importance of appearance for your industrial business and when attending a job interview or business meeting. But it is very important. Personal appearance is very important for professions, each and every professionals. Okay, it highlights our background, attitude, financial status, and personal traits. Okay, as well as it creates good impact in the mind of audience receivers. Okay, so it is very important. Next, one might say that the appearance does not matter in work. It is only the capability and knowledge one puts into it. Someone say that appearance doesn't matter. Appearance matter nahi karta. It doesn't matter. Only the capability and knowledge work. Okay, it is also true, but let us discuss personal appearance also important. In this case, one need to re-evaluate the scenario all over again. It is equally important to dress well, hairstyle, shoes, belt, watch, etc., and appropriate in the professional world. Okay, our capability and knowledge it work. It is very important, but along with that, our dress, hairstyle, shoes, belt, watch also important. It not only adds the confidence to the individual but also impress and attracts other people. So personal appearance is important. Now tips to enhance to improve personal appearance. One should follow some tips in content with personal appearance. Clothes should be neat and clean. Wear clothes with proper fitting in which you feel comfortable. Hair should be properly cut and maintained. Jewelry, makeup, accessories should be decent. It is very important. Now, grooming. Grooming means shining. Grooming is the way you present yourself in social and professional life. How you present your way, how you present your personality in front of your social and professional life. Presentation that makes personal appearance neat, clean, and attractive. Presentation man is very important. Its tips: hair is one of the most noticeable thing that help people look and judge at when they see you for the first time. One must take care of your hair regularly. Proper haircut is needed to maintain same. Grooming needs attention to the smallest details like finger, nail paint, and cosmetics also. A good look has great positive effect. It makes us feel energetic and more confident. Our looking is very important. We should be look positive. It makes us feel energetic and more confident. Clean finger nails are important. Clean fingers, your nail are important in professional life as well as workplace or any formal situations. Grooming and fresh skin create positive impact on your receiver. So guys, these are the tips to to enhance to improve your personal appearance and your grooming styles. I hope you will follow it, and I hope you will write the same things in your in your assignment. Okay, this is assignment number 9. Okay, thank you.